All right, y'all. I wanted to do a quick sneak peek. Jesus, I can't say it. A quick sneak peek video of the box that I got from Paparazzi. It's a pretty big box. This is my starter kit box. So, what is in here? What is in here? I already had opened it a little bit and peeked in there a little bit, but this is the box. This is really beautiful, I think. So that's that. I guess I should have put it the other way, but it says Paparazzi on there. As you can see on the sides, it says lift here. So I'm going to go ahead and lift that. And on the sides is where the jewelry is. Look at that amazing jewelry. I can't wait to go through it. And then here, where it says the paparazzi box, you open it and it's actually a party planner in there. And there's also something else in here that I don't know what it is, but it says accessorize. So I'm going to be opening that. I really don't know what it is. I really want to find out, but I haven't opened it yet. But see, here we go. Sneak peek of some of the stuff I'll be bringing you guys. I'll be starting to go live and stuff and show you these amazing jewelry pieces from Paparazzi. So there you have it, the unboxing of the starter kit box. All right. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you so much. And thank you for following and subscribing. And if you haven't already followed or subscribed, please feel free to do so. Thank you.